Join me tonight as I make a sweet chicken quesadilla with peppers and onions, fresh purple onion, cut up, tossed in a pan, cut up pepper of your liking, red, green, orange, or yellow, drizzle with maple syrup, a little apple cider vinegar, olive oil, add some sea salt, and find herbs in your cabinet that you would like to add. I used garlic and parsley flakes, garlic pepper seasoning with a grinder, stir it all together, cook at about medium-high heat for a while until veggies start to be tender. Toss in your cut up chicken tenders, once it is all cooked to your liking, put in a bowl and use the same pan rinsed out with butter. After you put the butter in, grab your wraps. I got whole wheat. I'm trying to eat a little healthier. Toss it in the pan. Sprinkle cheese over the quesadilla shell. Toss on your chicken, pepper, and onion mixture, draining out the juices so the quesadilla isn't too juicy. Cook on both sides till golden. You can see the center with cheese inside and the peppers, onions, and chicken. It's looking good. Yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. I grabbed the pizza slicer and sliced it up. Look at that. Yummy chicken quesadilla.